Ethereum Shanghai is going to come down in maybe like 2 or 3 hours, folks. And there are analyst predictions that 300 million Ethereum will be sold. Now, that could have a negative price effect on Shanghai. But right now, Ethereum is actually going against the grain at 1912. Now, this could be a pre-Shanghai pump, but there could also be people buying Ethereum in anticipation of being able to stake without actually holding everything in the stake for months and months. Remember, people who have staked since Beacon have waited for 2 years. Now, there are a decent amount of people actually in the profits, but let's not forget $300 million in Shanghai. That Glassnode actually estimates, this is from Decrypt, that 170,000 Ethereum will be withdrawn and sold after the Shanghai upgrade, but there might be some people buying back in as well. So would I actually sell my Ethereum? Probably not right now, but I would prepare for a dump maybe all the way down to 1,700, maybe even 1,600, which I do think will be bounced back fairly quick. If it does go down to 17 or 1,600, might be a pretty decent time to buy. I don't think it'll dump below 15 because I do think there will be people in the wings waiting to scoop this opportunity up. It could actually be a pretty good buying opportunity for Ethereum because, like I said, I don't actually think most stakers are actually in the profit right now. Not everyone has been staking since Beacon. And now, since you can actually remove it almost at any time, I believe that there will be more people that want to actually stay in rather than withdraw right now because, why withdraw when you can actually just withdraw anytime and wait for the bull run to come? I do not believe most Ethereum investors believe that we are in any real kind of bull run right now, and they're probably waiting for Ethereum $8,000 or $9,000 during the bull run to actually withdraw. But $300 million could be a big sale. It could actually kind of dump the price down all of a sudden. But after that, we should actually be able to recover fairly well for Ethereum. It could affect ERC20 a little bit, but probably not all that much. And I don't think anything outside of ERC20 will actually be affected. Maybe some people want to pull money out of Ethereum as they see these new blockchains coming up. But I think there will be probably even more people wanting to actually dump money into Ethereum or stake in Ethereum because Ethereum they see as a more safe bet. They see more use cases for and utility for Ethereum. And of course, all the layer 2 stuff that's actually building on it. So that will change within a couple of hours of right now. Yes, there will be a lot of Ethereum sold. I think there will be some price volatility, but I don't see a huge gigantic drop down to $1,000 or something. I think 1,700 is possible as some stake people sell out. I think most likely what'll happen is nothing will actually change in terms of Ethereum price. We might actually even break 2,000 as more people want to stake Ethereum, as more people want to actually come into Ethereum since they don't have to stake forever now. But there could be a short sell-off because there's so much Ethereum that staked right now that people might actually want to bail out. Now, let me say that in terms of percentage-wise, Ethereum's staking isn't like Cardano's or Polkadot. It's not 70% staked. It's 15, 20% staked. But that 15 and 20% still could have a pretty big impact on Ethereum price overall. So that's what we actually have to look at. I don't think the price will move much, but I think a move down to 17 or 1600 is possibly in the books. But if it does do that, instead of panic selling, I do actually think it's a decent time to pick up Ethereum because Shanghai does represent a new era where people can stake and unstake freely. And I do actually believe that people see Ethereum's value being a lot higher in the future. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.